So let's see what happened this week. Donald Trump was elected 47th President of the United States after being the 45th President of the United States with 312 electoral votes. So it's probably it will be a majority for him at the Senate and at the Congress. So it is good for Bitcoin. This is a really good thing for Bitcoin. Also, as what Donald Trump forecast, what Donald Trump made as plan when he will be elected is putting Bitcoin as a strategic reserve in the US, and there's currently a bill that is pushed by Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis, which is called the Bitcoin Senator, and who wanted to put Bitcoin in the as treasury reserve. She said on Twitter on the 6th of November, we are going to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So this is a really, really good thing for Bitcoin, and this is why Bitcoin is pumping at the time and is increasing really, really strongly in price. So yes, so this result also in a dominance that reach a very high level since a long time. Bitcoin dominance, it's 60% Bitcoin dominance in the crypto market. So this is a good thing. This has happened at a time when altcoin keeps losing value on their BTC pairs, even though the price of Bitcoin has increased in USD terms, mostly due to its own upward movement. So Bitcoin is pumping and Bitcoin dominance is pumping as well. Then, as a result of Donald Trump, another state in the US is planning to put Bitcoin on its balance sheet. This is Florida. Citing presidential candidate Donald Trump's remark on a US strategic crypto reserve, Florida Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Patronis is pushing the idea for state pension fund using Bitcoin. Then, as a result also of Donald Trump being elected as president, why not cutting the capital gain of Bitcoin? So why not using Bitcoin as money? And when you buy something, you don't have to pay tax because you sold your Bitcoin to buy this thing. So this was put forward by Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. A quote from a purported conversation with Donald Trump where he discussed his evolving views on Bitcoin. They are then paying tax on crypto, and I don't think that's right. Bitcoin is money, and you have to pay capital gains tax if you use it to buy a coffee. So this is not normal. It was talking with a friend. He said it really shouldn't be taxed, and I agree. So this is quote from Donald Trump according to Michael Saylor. So maybe no more capital gain on Bitcoin. This would be good in the US, but maybe in the world as well. Trump voted to oust SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, and these crypto advocates could take his place. So Gary Gensler could be fired, as Donald Trump said in Nashville Bitcoin conference. Maybe it will be fired. Gary Gensler is likely headed for an exit and possible replacement for the Security and Exchange Commission chairman are being floated by Donald Trump's transition team. Then, in the mining industry, Deutsche Telekom launches pilot to power Bitcoin mining facility with surplus renewable energy. So Deutsche Telekom gets involved in the Bitcoin mining. So there is more and more companies maybe interested in the Bitcoin mining. So this is a good thing for Bitcoin. Then what happened next? Cardano, which was before against Bitcoin, which was telling that Bitcoin was shitcoin. Now Cardano is getting involved in the Bitcoin layer 2. Bitcoin layer 2, so it will help. Cardano could be used as a layer 2 for the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a layer 1. So this could be a good thing. Cardano aims to integrate with Bitcoin via Bitcoin OS, potentially using ADAS blockchain as Bitcoin layer 2 to enable decentralized finance, NFTs, and more. As a result of the Bitcoin pump, MicroStrategy market cap surpasses Coinbase in market cap. So this is a good thing for MicroStrategy. This is a good thing for Bitcoin. As we all know, MicroStrategy bought a lot of Bitcoin. In a significant development within the crypto industry, MicroStrategy has surpassed Coinbase in market capitalization. Then also in the MicroStrategy space, MicroStrategy has announced recently that it will buy 42 billions worth of Bitcoin, split in two, 21 billions from something like equity offering, and over 21 billion via fixed income securities between 2025 and 2027. So it will be along 2 years for this Bitcoin investment to take place, but it will take place. And as you can see on this graph, MicroStrategy is the biggest owner of Bitcoin in all the company that already own Bitcoin. So this is a good thing also for Bitcoin, I think. Then we had some talk about stablecoin in the US. US Treasury advisory panel says tokenization could be big but may need central control. They are saying that for example, Tether as demand for USDT increase. Tether has to buy US Treasury to back his holding of stablecoin, because every USDT has to be backed by $1. So they buy Treasury to back their USDT, but this increase in Treasury is started to have a big impact in the Treasury market. So this is important to watch this. The Wall Street brand trust behind the US Treasury Department's debt management took a close look at tokenization and found a lot to like. The advisory committee also examined stablecoins and argued that tokens such as Tether USDT could pose a significant run risk. This is next to watch, but this is, I think, a good thing in, the full reserve bank. So this is it for this week. This was an update in the Bitcoin space for what happened this week. So if you like this podcast, you can subscribe and you can like also, and you can leave a comment. Thank you.